What's going on, guys? Mac Dr. Bill. Welcome to the channel. Alright, boys, I want to start by saying thanks and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing, liking, commenting, staying tuned in the channel. Today we're working on the 8th gen Honda Civic that I just picked up. I want to waste no time, so I'm going to show you guys what we're doing today. Let's get it. Alright, so today we're doing a repair on this quarter panel. It's rather large. This will apply to any Civic, any car in the world, the way I'm doing. Alright, today's repair is going to be a paintless repair. We're going to try to do this as much as we can. Pull it out. Trying to see where we at. We have to use a PDR kit that I have at the end for the small spot. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the trunk. Normally, you have these layers. You have to remove them in order to get access. I already done this on this side. I got a little access. So simple. What we're using is a basketball. It's kind of like an airbag method. You disinflate it. We're gonna try to attempt to put it right in those spots there. Trying to see if we could push it out a little at a time, until we get it out as much as we can, and to see if we could successfully to get all the way out. If not, we also got the PDR kit that we could use it. So we're gonna get started. Put you guys in a little tripod, little time lapse, and we'll see how much we could get done. Let's get it. Alright, so I have the bowl disinflated. I'm gonna attempt to put in the first spot. Keep an eye on this, see if you guys see any change. I'll keep my side on the look of it. Gotta flatten it more in order to get it right where I need. Every detail is important, boys. And just like that, I'm gonna try it out. Alright, start pumping. Whoa. You guys see how that worked? That was crazy. That was just first attempt, boys. Alright, so you guys heard it. Little by little, we gotta apply that method until we get it fully out. Right now, I haven't even started. That was just a couple seconds. So I'm gonna try to do my magic. At the end, if I have this little bit, then I'm alright. Because we could do it with the PDR kit. Get rid of the line. My work is to get the quarter panel fully out. I'll show you guys how the invention look. So you see by the time it's pinched in between both barriers, it's forced to push out because it's only one way it's gonna go out. Either come back this way a little bit, which it did, it's fine. We could bang it with a mallet, and then that side being the wrinkle, it pushed it out. So I'm gonna disinflate it and proceed the same way, little by little, until we get it fully out. So with that being said, let's get it. Alright, so far we got this out. If anything, we could always tap it in a little bit more. We got the PDR kit to get it out. Quarter panel itself is pretty much out. Over here, we got to work this spot. So that's what we're gonna do, little by little. Let's get it. Alright, the key in this is always to have some place where it's gonna support, so it's gonna push out. To the event over here, I can get it out. I might have to put something like a board with something put in pressure that I could put the ball in between and still push it out. So far, the ball method is working out. Pause. So I got in this section in hopes we could get rid of this knock over here. So far, the rest of the quarter panel, it came out really out. So I'm happy with that. So if I could get rid of this knock over here, even happier. So little by little, we gotta work it, massage it until we get it the way we want to. Let's get it. You guys heard it. So genius, it might work. Alright boys, so this is what we're working with so far. Not bad at all. Being that this was all indented, not bad at all. We still got some work to do. I'm not trying to PDR this with the kit. Put these low spots out. It's to be a painless repair. If I could get this out right now, into the future, this looks better. Probably buff this out. I'll be happy. If we have to do a little filling in the future, let it be. I'm happy to have no rust, so rust-free quarter panel. So that's my interest of getting this fixed up. So I'm gonna get my PDR kit, my glue gun ready, and we should take care of this. But you guys be my witness. What do you guys think? I think it's a hell of a difference. When all this was cave in. Like at a distance, you can't really see it much, but we got in there, not bad, for a couple minutes, maybe about an hour, 2 hours. This probably be into it of myself. Eventually, the doors and everything else, I will take care of that in the future the same way. But for now, quarter panel today is the mission, so let's get it. All right, boys, so I got my gun ready, heating up. I got my PDR attachments to the pulley. I got the pulley. I got several things over here. We got the glues. I got more to the kit. We're gonna attempt to fully do this whole side today, get it done. So you're gonna wipe it off with some adhesive cleaner. Start laying them where I need to, and simply we're gonna start pulling them one at a time. So with that being said, let's get it. Alright boys, I got all the patches right in place where I need to put the rest of this, so hopefully we should get it the cleanest possible without have to do any body work. So we should be seeing in a minute. I'm giving it a chance to dry out. It's already dry. A couple more seconds, maybe a minute more. It's not gonna hurt it. So we're gonna do those. Hopefully do this and do that. But first, I want to knock out the rocker panel. But I want you guys to see it now. And you guys told me at the end how we're looking like. Let's get it. Alright boys, so we seen the results. Got a little bit more. I got to clean up the glue, of course, but overall today goal was to pull that quarter panel, and I cannot complain. Like, I'm gonna do a comparison picture from beginning to the end, and right now this is where I'm at, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna finish over here, pull these out, clean the glue, and see how we're looking. And from my house, it's looking good for today. Alright boys, this is what we're looking like. Not bad. Like, this was not intended to be a body work day. Just a little PDR repair with the basketball. I'm super happy. The whole quarter panel, if you guys check the beginning of the video, it was caved in. That hard line then functionally we can get rid of. And that's no different than this. All this small stuff that could take care of in a later video. Bro, I'm happy with that. Like, at least we got shapes back to OEM. Got it from different angles. Car looks so much better already. We're able to tell that the dent is out. That was my concern. Close the trunk so we could see. Check it out. That's amazing, boys. Just to say that I have this just for one day. Just one day. So at least give me a break. For some that's probably saying that it's not perfect, which I understand. By no means I intended to be perfect. I simply wanted to save that quarter panel. Anybody else would have been like, oh man, now we gotta cut it from another car. We didn't have to cut the quarter panel. We got like little dings and dents, no different than hail damage for when it happens in some cars and you get a ding, guy, they come and repair it. So that's what we're doing here. For a first time myself, with the basketball and the PDR kit, not bad, guys. You guys be my judge. The whole quarter panel was caved in. Now we're looking good money. Like, that's amazing. this was starting to looking like something. You know what I'm saying? By the time I throw some tints in the future, do something with the wheels, the car starting to look and take shape. Wow, look at that from here. Like, that already look crazy. One day I do the door spots and stuff like that, the car's gonna look so clean. But little by little, boys, little by little. Again, not bad for a first day that you have the car in the channel. So we all learn something together, and the car is getting there. What a difference how that whole quarter panel was caved in, and now it's pretty straight. The only spot we got is a little bit of the line over here, which is no big deal. When it comes to it, I could sand it, fill it that in, prime it, and the car is ready for paint whenever that is. But overall, I'm excited and happy with that. That came out pretty good, man. Not bad, boys. Not bad for the first time. Alright, boys, this is gonna be a wrap. Do a little walk around. About to watch the car off camera. You know, get motivated. We're looking at the speeds now that the sun is not hitting it. Remember that quarter panel was all caved in. For being a video, there's no body work. It was just a PDR repair with a basketball in the kit. You can't go wrong, boys. This is something we could do at home. Then we still gotta do little minor stuff in the future, of course. Sort of that and sort of that. But this is how things get done. You gotta self-motivate and keep pushing through, boys. Hey Jen, looking nice and lined up. Hey Jen, looking nice and lined up. Alright, boys, so we're gonna wrap it short here. The PDR repair kit. Thanks to my boy David Santana that he hooked me up with it. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, staying tuned. Till the next one, peace. Que seguir porque me pongo viejo viendo novelas.